20 Steps to Set Up a YouTube Channel. Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel, Brightest Life. Enjoy watching. Here are 20 steps to set up a YouTube channel. Setting up a YouTube channel involves several steps to ensure that you have a well-structured and professional presence on the platform. Here are 20 steps to guide you through the process. 1. Sign in to YouTube. Visit the YouTube website and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one, create a Google account first. 2. Access YouTube Studio. Once you're signed in, click on your account icon in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. 3. Create a channel. In YouTube Studio, click on the Create a Channel option, and you'll be prompted to choose a name for your channel. 4. Channel customization. Customize your channel by adding a profile picture, channel banner, and channel description. These elements help create a visual identity for your channel. 5. Channel trailer. Create an engaging channel trailer that introduces your content and entices viewers to subscribe. Upload the trailer to the Channel Trailer section. 6. Channel sections. Organize your channel by creating sections. You can showcase different playlists, popular uploads, or specific content categories to help viewers navigate your channel easily. 7. Enable channel art templates. Utilize channel art templates provided by YouTube to ensure your channel art looks great on all devices. Enable this option in the Layout tab under Customization. 8. Channel keywords. Determine relevant keywords that describe your channel's content. Add these keywords to the Advanced Settings section to optimize your channel's discoverability. 9. Uploading videos. Click on the Create button in YouTube Studio to upload videos. Ensure your videos are of high quality and follow YouTube's content guidelines. 10. Thumbnails. Create eye-catching video thumbnails to attract viewers. Thumbnails should be visually appealing and represent the content of the video accurately. 11. Video titles and descriptions. Craft compelling titles and descriptions that accurately represent your video's content. Include relevant keywords to improve search visibility. 12. Tags and categories. Add relevant tags and choose appropriate categories for your videos. This helps YouTube understand your content and recommend it to the right audience. 13. Playlists. Organize your videos into playlists to make it easier for viewers to find related content. Create playlists based on themes, topics, or series. 14. Subscriptions. Subscribe to channels that align with your interests and content. This helps build connections within the YouTube community and discover potential collaboration opportunities. 15. Engage with comments. Respond to comments on your videos to foster engagement with your audience. Encourage meaningful discussions and address any questions or feedback. 16. Channel branding watermark. Create and add a branding watermark to your videos to promote your channel. This watermark appears in the bottom right corner and encourages viewers to subscribe. 17. Channel sections customization. Customize your channel sections to feature specific playlists, videos, or channels. This allows you to curate content and guide viewers to relevant videos. 18. Channel Trailer Spotlight. Use the Channel Trailer Spotlight option to feature your channel trailer at the top of your channel's homepage. This helps new viewers quickly understand your content. 19. Sharing and promoting. Share your videos on social media platforms, embed them on your website or blog, and leverage other promotional channels to reach a wider audience. 20. Analytics and insights. Regularly review YouTube analytics to gain insights into your channel's performance. Analyze metrics such as views, watch time, audience demographics, and engagement to make data-driven decisions. Remember, setting up a successful YouTube channel takes time and consistent effort. Stay dedicated to creating quality content, engaging with your audience, and refining your strategy as you grow. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Brightest Life will be happy for your generous comments on our videos. Till next time.